Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Clarksville, local and long-distance movers near me. It's common knowledge that moving valuables and delicate household items over 50 kilometers are fraught with peril. Careless driving leading to damage of properties and truck breakdowns are only a few of the unpleasant things that may happen during the process. Consequently, hiring 3 movers is a smart move. Long-distance relocations to or from Clarksville is easy with our help. We're concerned about your property safety, therefore we've taken precautions. Every one of our movers and drivers who will come into contact with your possessions has gone through extensive training with us. We have an excellent relationship with the officials in charge of the move. Any long-distance relocation can only be as successful if the moving vehicles are in excellent functioning condition at all times. Our trucks are capable of long-distance travel, and we service them before each journey. We will also deliver all your stuff to you in good time and in excellent condition. If any item gets missing or damaged during the relocation process, we have insurance to cover it. 3 Movers is the best option for local moving services. Affordability and speed are 2 of the many benefits of using 3 local movers moving services. We also charge between $30 and $40 an hour for our services. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Clarksville moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. Request a free quote using our online request form.